Hi, this is Itier from Bimser International, and in this video, you will learn how to create, approve, and close a work request on Beam. Let's get started. In this video, I will log into Beam with 3 different accounts to show you how different users behave. I am going to start by logging in as a requester, an employee who can only submit work requests. Let's imagine I was driving one of the company's trucks this morning and suddenly the air conditioning stopped working. I can add a work request and select my truck from the list of assets. In this case, the work order kind comes up automatically, but I have to select the work type and the failure code. Then I can explain what is wrong with the truck. Keep in mind that I am filling out this work request now, but the AC could have broken a few hours ago. The truck itself works, so I won't change the status of the asset. The rest of the tabs you see on the left side are optional. Companies could add their own codes or fields here. I could list maintenance points, study the potential risks, upload a document, take some notes, or see the list of approvals. I'm going to save it as it is. These work requests will go to the pool of work requests so that a manager can start dispatching them. The manager will be able to see that new work request along with the rest of them, whether they have been approved or not. I can review the request and select the member of the maintenance team who will take care of it. The work request is now a work order that Kevin has to complete. He will study the request, work on fixing the problem, and finally he'll record what he did in the system. For example, let's say he spent 1 hour working on the truck. He needed a new filter, so once he enters the materials used here, the inventory levels will be updated. External services were needed in this case, nor filling out the other info or custom codes tab, and he can see here that there were no documents attached to the request. The cost tab is now empty, but if I save the work order and open it again, we'll see that it has been updated and that the cost was calculated based on the labor, material, and service costs. Before closing the request, Kevin has to include information about the different dates and times, select the failure cause code and the solution provided, and also if someone else helped him while completing the job. This is basically the life cycle of a work request. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you want to learn how to schedule a maintenance operation automatically instead of manually, make sure to watch this next video.